Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate MLB.TV on your Android TV box using Chromecast, follow these step-by-step instructions to stream live baseball games. Step 1. Ensure your Android TV box and Chromecast device are both connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential for proper casting functionality. Step 2. On your Android TV box, open the Google Play Store and search for the MLB app. Download and install the official MLB.TV application. Step 3. Launch the MLB app on your Android TV box. You'll be presented with options to sign in or create a new account. Step 4. If you don't have an MLB.VT subscription yet, you'll need to purchase one through the app or on the MLB website before you can watch live games. Step 5. Select Sign In, and an activation code will appear on your TV screen. Keep this screen visible for the next steps. Step 6. On your smartphone or computer, visit the MLB.V.activation website at mlb.com/activate or the URL shown on your TV screen. Step 7. Enter the activation code displayed on your Android TV and sign in with your MLB.com account credentials. Step 8. Once activation is confirmed, your Android TV box will automatically refresh. You can now stream live out-of-market games, classic games, and other MLB content on your TV using Chromecast technology. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.